Good morning, guys. Welcome back to camp. It's Sunday morning. As you can tell, I just woke up about a little after 8 o'clock. Almost 8:30. Almost 8:30. Dogs are barking, generators are kicking on. Sierra's eating some cereal. Tiffany's got her coffee. And Bryce was awake. I think he's just chilling. You awake, Bryce? No, he went to sleep. Look at this. He's almost too big for the bunk. Baby's just chilling. She's ready to go outside and play. Started this morning's edit. Got the GoPro charging again. Now that Mike's here, we're gonna go for another ride. And the girls just informed me that breakfast is ready, so I'm gonna head on outside.
What?
Bryce informed me that the girls cooked breakfast. What's for breakfast, babe?
Egg scramble?
Egg scramble.
Either
Oh
on the
no,
plate or
the avocado's a little overdone.
Yeah.
Bummer. So little Braden there has been collecting cans all weekend. Of course, with a crew like this, he's got the jackpot. Kids are helping him crush the cans, make it more room in his bag. He just walks around camp going from trailer to trailer to pick up all the bigger cans. Well guys, fast forward to 3 hours later, I guess. I'm back from uploading the vlog, Mormon Lake. For whatever reason today, the connection was not as good as it was yesterday, and I spent 45 minutes driving around trying to find a good spot. I had a good connection, but just was too saturated with all the people, I guess. I don't know. But after about 45 minutes, I was getting ready just to give up and say, sorry guys, no vlog today. I went back to the store because I needed to pick up some ice and some water and some beer for one of the friends, and I tried it one more time, and all of a sudden I got not quite as good as yesterday, but considerably better than I was before. So I decided to sit in the parking lot for an hour and upload the vlog, so go watch it! No, for reals though. It's always hard. I don't know, like, do I do that? Do I spend an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours of my day to upload the vlog? Part of me says yes, because it's my job, and that's what I do for work, and that's my work. And so yes, it's 7 days a week, but it's only a few hours a day, right? Like, it's worth it. And then another part of me is like, no man, I missed 3 hours of my day with my family. I should say, screw it, sorry, no vlogs today. But I'm always torn, and I know a lot of you guys would be like, oh, you should just not worry about it, Clintus, upload it tomorrow. But like I said, it's my business, and who knows what YouTube does. If I skip a day, if it'll, you know, bomb the channel even more. I don't know. Anyway, I'm back. I'm eating some lunch. I think me and Mike are gonna go for a ride. The Swags are here. I don't know if I told you guys that or not. The Swags are here. The park behind me came last night. So he brought his bike and the quad up. We're gonna go for a ride. I'm gonna take him up to the tower we went yesterday, and spend our last day here.
So the kids just got back from a like 3 hour ride, and nice. Looking good.
Hello.
Was it fun?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was really cool. We went to this thing called the blowhole, and like we stopped all the razors and we went down. It was like this big hole, and then there's like this little hole in the ground, and you had to like slide down the rocks, and then you went underground. It was this huge cave. It was like pitch dark, and it was really cold down there.
Kind of like
well,
that
not really
Flagstaff
cold,
one
but
that we
like,
did.
yeah,
Yeah.
it was really cool though.
Really cool.
Yeah.
Storm's coming in. Clint's on a ride with Uncle Mike. So we'll see how long they last.
in time for the rain. Hi.
How is it?
Hey.
Yeah.
Yesterday was a little more exciting because, you know, we were like in a train and I don't know, today, the trails are all the same. So I took Mike to the 2 places we went yesterday, to the tower, and then we just kind of explored a little bit, but it's like, it's so hard with all the campers. Like, you don't want to be riding around people's camp, you know?
Yeah.
So you go out further out, then it just gets rockier and rougher. And then it started raining, so.
You got back just in time.
Tiff made nachos for lunch. Everyone's outside enjoying it, watching the rain. Just a light drizzle.
So we have some more rain. Got the fire going. Right, Bryce?
I threw a lot of wood in there.
Yep.
Good fire,
And
Bryce, good fire.
we have this. Sheltering everybody.
We're trying to keep this
It's a little cold. It's a little cold.
That was the prime goal.
Oh, we got an idea. We're just gonna haul a log, no big deal. Firewood for days. Woo! You're good, hey, Mikey, you're good. Oh, they're taking turns. The guys are lining up.
Yeah, they're lining up.
Oh, we got it. They cut it in half. There it is. There it is. Save it! Save it! Oh, it's bratwurst time. Well, guys, it's, you know, a little after 10 o'clock and things are winding down. We're gonna call it a night. One by one, everyone starts to, a couple people have left, a couple people have gone to bed, knowing that we're gonna get up early in the morning, take off. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Log on.